Hello and welcome back to IAS Tech. In today's session, we are going to merge the dynamic capabilities of React.js with aesthetic prowess of Tailwind CSS. And to add cherry on top, we are coding with the guidance of ChatGPT 4. Our project for today is a mortgage calculator. This tool will not only be visually appealing but will also provide precise monthly payment calculations based on loan amount and interest rates. If React Tailwind and innovative AI coding sounds like a mix you are interested in, then stay tuned and let's get our hands dirty. Alright, I already have set up my React.js project along with the Tailwind CSS configured in it. So let's type our initial prompt to ChatGPT. Here I will mention that create calculator using Tailwind CSS and React.js. It should calculate monthly mortgage payments based on interest rates and loan amount. Make sure to make the UI very user friendly, attractive, modern, and visually appealing. Make sure to provide 100% completed code without skipping anything. It should be production grade application. Okay. Also, as I'm using this plugin that is Prompt Perfect, so it will help me to optimize my prompt, or you can also use the prompt enhancer instead of that one. So let's try prompt enhancer. Here I would have to specify that enhance my prompt. So it will take my initial prompt and it will optimize my prompt by using this plugin prompt enhancer, and it will give me back a better prompt that you can see. It is saying that so this is the prompt that it has generated. Important your account. Okay, this is about the extension that I'm using the plugin. My credits are low, but it has generated with the available credits. So your journey to generate the perfect prompts with AI SEO prompt generator ChatGPT plugin has momentarily been paused. Okay. Anyways, yeah, let's use the old extension instead of this one. All right, this is my optimized prompt. That is, can you please develop a mortgage calculator using Tailwind CSS and React.js? The calculator should be able to calculate monthly mortgage payments by taking into account the interest rates and loan amount. It is important that user interface is designed to be user-friendly, visually appealing, modern, and attractive. Additionally, please ensure that the code provided is 100% complete without skipping any steps. Lastly, the application should be of production grade quality. Okay. So it has created the steps for us. This is an outline. So first thing step is setup. That is already done. And then we need to create a component mortgage calculator. Then the third step is the UI. Use Tailwind CSS classes to design the input fields for loan amount, interest rate, and the loan term. Add a button to calculate the monthly payment. Display the result in visually appealing manner. Calculation. The monthly mortgage payment M can be calculated using this formula. M is equal to P multiplied by this. And where P is principal loan amount, R is monthly interest rate, annual rate divided by 12. N is number of monthly payments, years multiplied by 12. So this is the React code for the mortgage calculator. So let's create the mortgage calculator first. Okay, let me ask it, is it complete full code? So while basic Tailwind CSS classes are used, a production grade application would likely require more detailed styling, animation, and possibly a theme, responsiveness, additional features, testing, etc. So if you would like to more detail or complete implementation or guidance on any of the points mentioned above, please let me know. Yes, please do that. Right now it will go in further detail and provide the proper application without skipping any part. It is creating a React project and integrating the Tailwind CSS to it. Now in the index.css, it is adding the Tailwind components, base, and utilities. And now we need to generate this mortgage calculator. Let's do that. Here I will create my component. And now it is going to provide us the component data or code. So this component is going to add the UI and error handling, design the input fields with the validation and error message, calculation would be in there, styling, enhance the user design with the Tailwind CSS and ensure mobile responsiveness. Testing, write basic tests to ensure the calculator works correctly, and deployment. We don't want deployment, but let's see what it does at the end. All right, now let's copy it and go back to our code, paste it. So it is saying, okay, next we will move on testing and deployment. Would you like to proceed with these steps? No. Okay. The UI is also made responsive with W full, that is 100% width, to ensure the input field, the button take full width and smaller screens. Okay. Let's add this component in the app.js. So here I will replace it with the gauge calculator. And let's see. So this is what it has made for us. I can limit its width as well. So I will wrap it in a div as well. And here I will add class W 50% for now. And M auto. And then I will add PT 10 maybe for the padding top. And we don't need this semicolon. All right, this is what it has made for us, and this is totally responsive, as you can see. And now I will add the mortgage loan amount. Let's suppose this one, interest rate, let's suppose 10%, and 5 years. Let's calculate it. Okay, it has generated the monthly payment uh, that is 162.35. So that's it. Let's quickly take a look at our code in the mortgage calculator component. So here we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states. This is loan amount state, and this is the interest rate state, long term state, and monthly payment and error state. And also let's try the error state. I will just skip this part. Click on that. You can see that error is displaying. And these three states are tied with the inputs that we have here. Like here, input is linked with this loan amount state, and we are updating that state if something is changed in that input. And same for the interest rate and for the long term years as well. Same thing is happening, and there is a button. If you click on that button, that will display call the calculate payment function. And also uh, I'm showing the error. If there is an error, then it will display it. And in the monthly payment, I will show the data from the monthly payment state. And in the calculate payment, you can see we are setting the error state. If a loan amount or interest rate or long term value are not defined or not mentioned in the input, then it will show the error. And if you specify negative values, like say here it is, if the value is any of these values are equal or less than 0 or minus or in negative, then it will show this error message that please enter a valid positive values like this. So I have entered 0, and you can see it is saying that valid positive values. And now we have other local variables p or nm, and we are generating them to execute our formula. So this is the formula that is going to be executed, that you can see. Once we have the values, we will set the monthly payment with the help of m variable, and we will reset the error state to empty. That's it. Together we have crafted a mortgage calculator that perfectly blends the interactivity of react.js with the elegant styling of Tailwind CSS, all while leveraging the coding intelligence of ChatGPT 4. It's been an exciting journey merging front-end brilliance with AI-powered logic. So if you enjoyed this blend of technology and creativity, please hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Ayaz Tech. We have got more fascinating sessions coming up where tech stacks meet AI in symphony. Until next time, keep experimenting and happy coding.